Hey, it's Hugo here with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert here in Lakeview, Chicago, and I serve the Chicagoland and the suburbs. But right now, let's talk real. The market has changed, and sellers who don't get that, their home is just sitting on the market. So here's the problem. Too many sellers are stuck in 2021 mode, expecting multiple offers, over asking price, and bidding wars, and that's not happening anymore. So yeah, the market is absolutely gone. So here it is. Today's reality, buyers finally have options. Inventory in Chicago and in the suburbs is rising. That means more listings, less competition, and buyers are getting very picky. So they are comparing homes like they were on Yelp. If yours doesn't show up as the best value, it's just going to sit there. They're just going to keep scrolling. Here's the kicker. 8 out of 10 sellers still think that they're going to get asking or more for their property. But in this past spring, nearly half of properties were sold below asking price. And 1 out of 3 had to drop their price. And that's not just one-time thing. That's the new norm. Even in a competitive market like Naperville, Oak Park, Lakeview, and beyond, it's happening everywhere. We're seeing it. The feedback's loud and clear. If your home isn't getting showings, it's not getting the offers. It's overpriced. So what's the solution? You got to be confident, you got to have a strategy plan, and you got to take action. So here's what's working right now. Price it right at the moment it hits the market. Understand today's buyer psychology. Pairing sharp marketing with a real estate agent that knows how to negotiate. And this is a skill market, okay? And skills sell homes. So you don't just throw a listing on the MLS and hope that a miracle is going to come and that you're going to sell it. You need a strategy, you need visibility, and you need a real plan. So if you're thinking about selling in the Chicago or the suburbs before the competition stacks even higher, let's talk, okay? I'll break it down very simple to the most up-to-date pricing trends in the exact neighborhood that you are in. I'll show you the comps, the active inventory, and give you a game plan that works. From the staging to digital marketing, everything is mapped out so that you can get top dollar without wasting weeks on the market, because the longer it sits there, the more money you lose. So this is what I do. With a background in construction, architecture, and over 10 years of experience, I treat your sale like a smart investment move and not just a listing. And my digital strategy, it puts your home in front of thousands of buyers, not just the ones refreshing on Zillow. I will show you how I can get more views with my ads than Zillow. So let's make this move smart, let's make it very powerful, and let's make it profitable. Give me a call, send me a text at 773-550-4846, or visit our website at homesofchicagobyhugo.com. This is Hugo with Lakeview. I serve the Chicagoland, and if you're serious about selling, I'm the one that you should be calling, not playing around. Thank you.